Stop. Did you know approximately 680 billion tons of food get thrown away each year? This results to $130 billion of money wasted in the US alone each year. Without third-party intervention, this won't change. Luckily for you, we are that third party.
As the food goes into the compost bin, organic chemicals decompose the food. This process takes 24 hours. Even if the can is full, it can compress the food to make more space. As a result, usable fertilizer is produced.
Combustion engine on the way?
It's on the way up.
Pretty sick, what mechanic? God damn it. Let's call the maintenance guy again, bro.
Alright. Nah, my battery's dead.
Well, why don't you use the organic waste bin to charge your phone?
Is it already charged?
It must be.
Alright, yeah, try.
You see, our engineers have been truly working hard in creating a solution that would revolutionize the way that humans process organic food waste today. With each one of your donations, we can take one step closer into achieving our ultimate goal. So join us today in creating a solution that would truly revolutionize the world. Thank you for your time.